Hey homies, what's good? It's Chris and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I have been away for a minute, but not really, because if you're following me on all my platforms, then you know that I check in with you guys basically every day. We're doing some cooking, some shopping, coin saving, all the things, right? All things Chris. But anyway, let's dig back to this video that I filmed February 19th, because yes, I was still filming. I just was not editing, but you forgive me, right? I know you do. We're going to go ahead and revive a wig that I was about to toss just by running a flat iron and a brush through it. Who knew? Anyway, let's get into this. I'll leave all the specs down below where you can purchase this wig, but I'm sure you can get it at your local beauty supply store. But let's go. I missed you. Okay, so I was already silk pressing this unit and I didn't have you guys with me. And I said to myself, Chris, this is good content. Let the homies come and chill with you, or show the before and after. That's actually what I'm doing, because unless I go get the stand, but I just haven't wanted to. I might go get the stand. Anyway, so this is a unit that I had, and I'm just gonna silk press it straight and wear it with the middle part, and let's see what we come out with. Because this had really bouncy curls, I'm gonna see if I can insert a clip or a picture here of what it looked like before, when I first got the unit. But it started getting really ratty at the end, so I wanted to see what my titanium flat iron would do. And look at how nice this is. Hold on. Look at how silky straight that is. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Let me get the stand and I'll be back. All right, so I bought a whole pack of these banana clips. So I'm just clipping the hair up. Let me step back, or if I need to move you guys back. Okay, yeah, so I just bought a whole bunch of these banana clips. Let me fix your lighting. I bought a whole bunch of these banana clips, and I'm just clipping the hair up. So again, this is the part that's down. So it's a little bit ratty. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just very coarse. And I like how this looks over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin it up. I'm gonna do a little small section and then I'll speed it up. And I'm also clipping the ends as I go. If I look and see that it's a little bit ratty at the ends, and come closer so you can see. See, it's a little ratty at the end. I don't have any product. I'm not putting any product on it. And that's why I love titanium flat irons. I think I put the heat up a little bit too high. I think I have it at 3 something. Let's go to like high 2s. I'm gonna let it cool off for a bit so I don't singe the hair. But yeah, you see how quickly that straightened it out and how shiny it looks. And I have no product on the hair, and it really stretched the hair a lot. So you can see the color blend. It's so pretty, you guys. And it's not even really doing it justice on camera. And I can't wait till I'm done. So I'm gonna speed through it. Or no, let me do another section. Let me let this cool down and we'll see. But this is so pretty. Look at the difference. It's so, so pretty. It's It's really, really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go in and just with my shears, I do have shears for the hair. So I'll look under the sink and find them and then go in and like cut it properly. But this is gorgeous. This is really, really, really gorgeous. I love this, y'all. So I'm just going back to being more intentional. I used to take so much time getting ready and all of that, but getting in the habit of rushing to do stuff. I'm just gonna go back to taking the time on me. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I love it. All right, let me do one more section from the back, maybe. And I will speed the video up. So you see how I have to really brush through that. All right, so let's do this. And just pass through it. Just a quick pass through. Okay, and then I go through with the shears and clip that up really good. But it's so pretty. It's really, really nice. And when I finish with it, I think that I'll adhere it because I love this. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through. See, I already feel the judgment coming through the screen. See, this is the reason why I took up with my Facebook and TikTok solitude, because TikTok and my reels, I was able to dig into my 90s R&B playlist. That's that R&B, hip hop, and dance hall. And me and my peeps was having a really good time, but I digress. Go check me out. All right, y'all, so let's compare it. Number one, it added hella inches. Look at the inches. Look at the difference. What? Look at this, you guys. OMG. I love this balayage. This is the balayage chocolate blend. It is so beautiful. So one thing I am noticing is as the hair, let me turn Monica down. Alright, so what I am noticing is as the hair cools from being pressed, it is getting a little bit thicker, but I'm not mad at the texture that I'm getting from it. It's like a I just blew my hair out type of texture. I didn't say the salon blew it out. I'm saying I just blew it out texture. If you get what I'm saying, that means that it's not perfectly smooth, but it's really, really pretty. And I know that it's doing something because, again, look at the stretch. It is gorgeous. Look at the color blend. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna try to fix y'all lighting. Rocker underneath. I love this. I don't know why I didn't think about straightening this unit. I have two of these. The other one is a little bit more of a ginger. It has more blonde hues. This I love. I love this one. And I don't know what I did with the packaging, so I don't even really know what color blend this is. And I can't remember if I purchased it offline or if I went into the beauty supply and bought this one. But it's really, really pretty. Look at this. I I like it better like this. I thought I loved it when it was bouncy curls. I love a straight hair. I love straight hair. All right, so I'm gonna get back into my music. You guys see where it is, and then when I wear it out, hopefully during this vlog this week, you'll see it. But I love this. I love this. It's giving. All right, y'all, so I'm on the right side. And the right side of my hair, whether it's nails, hair, whatever, always is the disobedience. But look at it wanting to act right now that I'm getting ready to straighten it. So now I'm confused. Look at the curl. Look at it wanting to do what it do. You know what I mean? Tripping. It's pretty I just wanted to have like a light bump, but that's mad nice. So this is the part, let me turn down in bold, cause so this is the part that's like really on your nape, the nape of your neck. So I would go through and kind of just go like this. What? So I have ceramic barrel curlers, and I have ceramic flat irons. I will tell you hands down that I love my titanium flat iron better than the ceramic one. I don't have any product. I didn't put any product on the hair, and it's so silky. It has a nice luster to it, but nothing drastic. And because I didn't put any product on the hair, it's not being weighed down. So I like that. And you see that I'm barely doing two passes over. It's cool. I love it. So I'm gonna stick beside her. I like it. Yes, I'm gonna go through my units and use this titanium flat iron to bring them back to life, or to breathe new life into it. Cause this is giving. All right, I just came on to show you that how the right side of my hair was being disobedient and it wants to act right when I'm about to straighten it. But let me get back to my music. Little later, little later. All right, y'all, so I'm done. This is so nice. It's not, trying to see how I'm gonna say, it's a nice thick consistency. This is not by any means a thin head of hair. This looks like a real healthy head of hair that I have colored. It's still giving ethnic hair, blown out, pressed out. I don't have any product on it, like I said. Check the scalp. This is really, really pretty straightened. Who knew? Look, look, look. What? Who knew? Oh my God, with the right out, like this is, I'm running out to do a couple of errands. This is real. What? Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is really, really, really nice. Oh my God, this is really nice. This is definitely a fall blend, and I love, so from the roots coming out, it's like a dark brown. Okay, there you go. You can see the dark brown roots underneath. and then you just get specks of highlights. So I'm gonna put, and then it has the layers in it from when it was curled. So I love straight hair like this, like with layers, not just straight, but with layers. So it will easily just fall, like you with a nice blouse. Oh my God, I'm in love with this hair. So I have another one. It's lighter, but this is, oh my God. Oh my God, Savannah. He's a good man, Savannah. A good man. What? This is giving, okay? Y'all know I like hold on. So see, I don't know, I would just pull it forward and I wouldn't wear it as a straight on. It's a side part wig. So it's a left part wig, like it's supposed to be over here. Because this is where the combs are. But I don't like it like this. Not with the straight. I like it a bit over here. Not a center part, not a side part, like in the middle. Like I can't decide. You know what I mean? Like it's off-centered. I like that kind of look. Oh, look at you. Oh, you see it doing this thing? Hold on. Do you see it falling in, like, the layer? What? It's scathing. So again, I am feeling like when I step outside with the humidity and whatever, it might get a little thicker because to me, it is, I can feel the change of texture. Not meaning that it's curling up. I just mean that it's expanding and it's getting really full. But it just feels like you went and got your hair pressed out, or you stood in the bathroom and did your own version of your blowout because you didn't feel like sitting at the salon all day. And I have no commitment to this because I could just pop this off my head and be gone. What? Okay, so yeah. BAAM.com. I could put it in a ponytail. I could pin this up. Like, this is PTA, mom. This is, I need to run to Trader Joe's. I need to do a couple of errands. I need to do a couple things here. That type deal. This is, I have a couple of showings, but I'm gonna meet the girls afterwards type deal. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't necessarily wear this to work because I do wear my scrub cap a lot of times. And little known fact, a lot of times when I'm wearing my scrub cap, I have no wig on. That's just my set it off plaits, my Cleo braids going back, and I'm just letting my scalp breathe under that cap. Little known fact. Just saying. I love this hair, you guys. You can tell by the glow on my face. I love the hair. This is like light makeup. I'm not doing too much, which you know that's what I like to do anyway. But this is that light makeup. I'm not doing too much. What's up? What's good? A nice pair of sunnies on, or your specs. You're sitting in a coffee house doing your work. You know what I mean? You're looking up. You might have an admirer looking at you, and you're just giving that come hither look. You know what I mean? Like, I see you, but I don't really see you type look. This is that hair. This is it. This is the one. I love this. Look at this. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. Pretty. All right, y'all, I gotta go. Want it bad, but like it against the law. Light up, bright up, yes,